Yeah, film it. Let's go home.
Hi, baby. Oh, look how long he is. Didn't know those legs were under there, did you?
I know.
Oh, I got him. He's
Hey.
like, how dare you?
Hey. Hi. Hi. Good job.
Ooh.
Good job.
Ooh.
Okay.
Roll or nothing.
Let's check and see. Yeah, watch them unfold. That's all good. All right. Let's see what we got here, buddy. It is as simple as this. He's gonna hate me for a second. But you see how he does? He grabs it because he can feel it. And it's a little pressure. You're okay. You're okay. There we go. That's how easy. Now we're gonna go down a little lower. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry.
You're doing great.
There we go. A little bit movement
Feels
there.
kind of good though, doesn't it?
Hey.
Yes, it's out. It's tender for him. That's why it's so bad.
I will say one time when I was holding him and he heard like a crack when he moved his neck.
Yeah, right there.
Right there.
See, and we're gonna start with that. It's very simple. Okay. Let's see how that feels. You're okay, buddy. You gotcha.
Good job. Good
What I want to
job.
do is mobilize him a little bit today and see how he feels.
Okay.
And then we're gonna watch that face and see if that acting kind of starts to change a little. Okay.
Oh, good job.
Alright.
Good job. Yeah, that was kind of
Start.
nice.
Alright.
It was kind of nice.
He's pretty tender, so I'm gonna be I was a little easy with him today. If that's a little better, we'll be able to get it.
Good job.